If you have a device that takes Mini DisplayPort and you would like to put it out to a television or something else that takes HDMI, maybe a capture card, then I recommend you get one of these. Nice and small, super simple. Belkin are a solid, trusted brand. They make some really good products. This cable is nice and thick. It doesn't feel like it will get damaged at all in a hurry. The connectors are both quite sound. I've been using this for years with no issue, and I really, really like it. So yeah, if you need one of these adapters, go with a Belkin. Enjoy.